Alright, hey guys, I'm Potter. I'm part of Team 1, and our project is MuComp. I'm here to do a quick demo of it. Um, Sort of like a primitive version of Spotify. So what a user can do is they can upload their iTunes library. It's stored as an XML file, and then we can parse through it and find out what songs they have. We can sort of by artist and stuff like that. And because we use the Facebook API, you can compare it with your friends, look at what they're listening, and based on certain types of genres that you have a lot of, we can make suggestions about new songs that you don't have that your friends do have. Um, I think it's a pretty cool concept to think about. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see here. All right. So I'm currently logged in right now. Let me log out and show you guys what it would look like. All right. So this is the home page. So for a user to actually use it, if you click on anything right now, you're not logged in. So it's just going to redirect you to the login screen. So let me log in for you guys real quick. Alright, there we go. So now we can go to the page goes to this, and it shows that I have 1,274 songs in my database, that the songs of mine. And here are three of my friends that are using it, and what they have. So let me show you the upload function real quick. Um, so I browse for my file. It's this one right here. Um, you can see that this is encoded by iTunes. It's what Apple uses to keep track of everything in your library. So let me select that and upload it. So since I already had songs uploaded, what this does is it will delete my previous library automatically and then upload my new one. Since iTunes keeps tracks of the songs, if something is gone from this file, it means I have deleted it from the library. So it needs to be removed from the database. Um, so in this way, while it's not the most efficient, it does update the database correctly. So here's the success page. The correct number of songs is inserted. So let me show you the search. So let's say I want to find out about a certain artist that everyone has, that my friends have. So if I search Jay Sean as such, um, I have all these songs that come up. Some of these aren't labeled correctly, but that is because the files themselves in iTunes are not labeled correctly. So let's see. We could also let's say I want to listen to a specific artist, but I don't really remember their name. Like for example, let's see. Um, let's say I want to listen to Little Wayne or something. Well, actually, let's go. Um, let's go with Usher. So let's say I want to listen to Usher, but let's say I don't know Usher's full name, so I don't remember it. So I remember Ush. So let me just type Ush. It should return everything with Ush in it. So we got all these Usher songs. So and we also got other things like Rush because it fits the parameter. And as you can see, the searches are not case sensitive. A cool thing that we implemented is that like here I could select myself and then I could see my entire library because I didn't select any I didn't type in anything else for the other fields. So these are all the songs that I have in my library. Um, the cool thing about that is this isn't really necessary per se for me, but let's say I wanted to browse through my friend's song list, see what he has. Maybe perhaps I heard something that I liked and I want to try to find it. Um, so let's select someone else, and these are all the songs he has. So let's say I want to check if my friend has a specific song. Maybe I heard something new that I want to show him, or I could check before I email him or text him or something. Let's say I want to see if he has any Kesha songs. Let's see. Well, Kesha spells her name a little bit weird with a $, so let's do that. So yeah, he has the Kesha songs. So he pretty much has the entire album. Well, her Animal album. But yeah, that's a pretty cool feature that I actually find really interesting. Our found facts page, it does a lot of queries, so it takes a little bit to load. Let's see. There we go. So what's cool about this is you can see the artists that you have in common with your friends. For me, the most I have in common is Linkin Park, probably because I have all of their albums. I know Philip also has most of their albums, so that's probably why it pops up as one of uh, the most common one for me. Specific songs, that's interesting. Seems that everyone has How to Save a Life from the Fray. And then the top genres for male users. Currently, I don't have any female friends that are using this website, so nothing shows up for that. But if you were to log on Philip's or Cyrus's or Eric's account, that would pop up for them because they have one of their friends on there. Alright, and top 20 recommendations. This is a pretty cool function. Let's say I'm bored of the songs I have in my library, and I want to find out some new song that I want to listen to. It's kind of annoying to go through the top 100 list on the billboards, or just turn on the radio and listen for a while until I find something I like. Because what radios do is they repeat the same songs over and over again, and it seems to take a while until songs change out. So what our website does it will take your songs and it would compute a score for them based on the amount of songs you have for that genre, for that artist. And in doing so, it would assign a score for each one of the songs that everyone has. And here, these are songs that my friends have that I don't have. And these are what have been scored the highest. This one probably makes sense because I have a lot of Linkin Park stuff, and I actually don't have this song. So stuff, yeah. And then last thing is just a logout button. I did it in the beginning. Once you click on it, again you log out, and since you're not logged in, everything redirects to the login page. Alright, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.